channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's video I'm gonna show you the right way to apply the foundation. I feel अगर हमारा foundation perfect होना तो हमारा half the makeup हो जाता है because foundation plays the most important role. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to choose the right shade for yourself, that too online, and how to apply the foundation. So if you don't know that, all you have to do is keep watching this video. First thing is finding the right foundation for yourself. To be honest, I don't think there are many brands in India who have a lot of options to choose from. Like बहुत limited shades होते हैं, and then getting the best one, the closest one, can be very difficult. So Maybelline Fit Me foundation got 18 shades to choose from, which is very impressive because बहुत ज़्यादा चांसेस है कि आपको क्लोजेस्ट शेड आपका मिल जाए. सो येस, नाउ द बिगेस्ट क्वेश्चन इज कि हाउ टू फाइंड द फाउंडेशन फॉर योर सेल्फ, दैट टू ऑनलाइन. तो सबसे पहले मेक श्योर करो दैट द फाउंडेशन शेड इज वेरी क्लोज टू योर स्किन. इट शुड लुक वेरी नेचुरल. लाइक ज़्यादा डार्क भी नहीं होना चाहिए, ज़्यादा लाइट भी नहीं होना चाहिए. जस्ट लुक लाइक योर स्किन. लाइक इफ यू वेयरिंग योर फाउंडेशन, इट शुडंट फील दैट यू वेयरिंग समथिंग. एंड अगर जो सामने भी आपको देख रहा है ना, उसको फील नहीं होना चाहिए कि आपने कुछ पहना हुआ है. इट शुड बी दैट नेचुरल लुकिंग. ऑन द अदर साइड इट शुड बी दैट अमेजिंग ऑल्सो कि वो आपके मार्क्स कवर कर ले, आपके अंडर आइज कवर कर ले, आपका डिस्कलरेशन कवर कर ले, and it should have like a nice good coverage. Also, what you have to do is you need to see whether you come under the warm tone or the cooler tone. Plus, अगर आपको ये सब झंझट नहीं करना है ना, so all you have to do is you have to take a virtual try on. This is what I tried and I got my perfect shade. So you have to do the virtual try on and get your shade. The website will tell you कि कौन सा shade आपको best suit करेगा. What I'll do is I'll give you the link in description box below. So go and take a virtual test and get the perfect shade for yourself. Now I'm super excited to share with you all that Maybelline has launched their new Fit Me foundation range. Again, you have like nice 18 shades for yourself. It's super light, got matte finish, and also have SPF 22. Now because we have 18 shades to choose from, आपको अपना right foundation 110% मिल ही जाएगा. Our virtual test भी ज़रूर लेना in case you are confused which one to go for. So my shade is 130, which is buff beige. This foundation is again give you this really natural finish. Like right now you won't even feel that I'm wearing this foundation. It's that close to my skin. Also very light, तो आपके face पे आने से आपको भी heavy नहीं लगता. Very light, gives you very natural finish. And because इसमें SPF 22 है, तो आपको अपनी स्किन केयर करना, एक एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप भी नहीं करना है. Done. You just use your makeup. And the best part is it's transfer proof because आजकल हम सबको मास्क पहनना ही है and we really don't want our foundation to transfer on a mask. तो जब आप ये फाउंडेशन लगाकर मास्क भी पहनेंगे ना, no transfer at all, and I feel that's the best part because that's a new life, that's new us. Now I'm gonna show you the correct way to apply the foundation. Use a sponge or a foundation brush. So if you're using a sponge, just damp it, squeeze all the water, अपना foundation लो, make these small dots on your face and just dab the sponge on your skin. Never rub it. I feel it's one of the best way to apply the foundation. It gives you an amazing finish and this foundation looks so natural that I absolutely love it. Now if you're using a brush, make these small dots on your face. Use a brush in a circular motion. I feel जब हम brush use करते हैं तो product थोड़ा less waste होता है and it's even more quicker. Now if you are in a hurry and you just want to quickly do your foundation, dab it with your fingers in case you don't have access to above two mentioned options. तो बस आप अपनी फिंगर से डैब करो ना. आई फील फिंगर्स ऑल्सो डू अ ग्रेट जॉब. सब मेरे पास जब कुछ नहीं होता है तो आई ऑलवेज यूज माई फिंगर्स एंड अप्लाई माई फाउंडेशन. So this product is priced at $549, which I feel is so affordable and a great price for this product because this is amazing. I can give you the guarantee about that. I feel कि अगर हमको foundation मिल जाता है ना जो हमारी skin tone से एकदम closest हो, or I would say exactly like our skin tone हो, then we don't feel like shifting to another product because finding the right foundation is वही सबसे डिफिकल्ट होता है, बट आई कैन गिव यू द गारंटी कि आपको मिल ही जाएगा, बिकॉज यू हैव 18 शेड्स टू चूज फ्रॉम। एकदम मैट फिनिश है, नेचुरल लुक दे रहा है और SPF भी है जो हमको चाहिए ही चाहिए। एंड अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इसी फाउंडेशन से आप डुई लुक भी क्रिएट कर पाए, सो ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज अपना फाउंडेशन लो, उसमें थोड़ा सा मॉइस्चराइजर मिक्स करो, या फिर अगर आपके पास लिक्विड हाइलाइटर है तो वो मिक्स कर लो, एंड यू विल गेट दिस रियली नाइस dewy finish. Because this foundation is so affordable, you can literally use this on everyday basis. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you the link in the description box below. Definitely check this out. And as I said before, if you wanna take the virtual test, take it and get the right shade for yourself, and literally you will thank me later. So yes, if this video was helpful, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comment section below what you wanna watch next. I will see you very soon. Bye bye.